This is how you can change from MT4 to MT5 or MT5 to MT4 in Fxpesa. It's just a very easy process, but note that you cannot use the same credentials to log into another. So this is how you can just do: log into your Fxpesa website over here, log in, and the moment you log in, go to the live account where you can see this live account right over here, and then just go to the create account. So you just click create account, and then you just fill all this process over here. But this time, if you hand mt4 over here, mt4, this time switch to this one. If you end premier account, you can either, if you wanted executive account, select executive account. I recommend executive account for the beginners. Switch on to soft free over here, and then you can just select the reason saying it's maybe a different account type, and then type all your portal person. The portal person is the person that you actually log in with to your Fxpesa website right over here. There's the next step that you have to do right over here. After doing all this, the next step you have to do is actually to transfer the money that you earned so that you can trade over there. After maybe the Fxpesa sends you the details, they send you the details over here to log into mt5. You can follow the process over here on how to link it to mt5 or mt4 over there. It's just very easy. Now go and click transfer. So you can transfer your money from any wallet, either it is in this wallet, and then you can transfer to this one. You can either decide to transfer all of it, or in terms of dollars, maybe it is $45, it will translate to Kenya shillings, and then you can actually click submit, and the money will actually be transferred from the other wallet to the other wallet, and then you can just continue trading on either mt5 or mt4. It's easy process like that. If you don't have an account with the Fxpesa, the link is in the description of this video. Register to the Fxpesa, then WhatsApp me on the WhatsApp, then I can just add you to the team, and for free classes right over here. It's just the easy process over there. See you next time. Subscribe and like this video.